Today we are going to open Hairdorables Series 3. Can you believe it? 3 is already out. This one is called Hairdorables Color Crimp Curl. Alright friends, let me show you guys the box. Hi Sophie! Here is the new packaging. We have a blue box and we have a Hairdorable doll here with purple hair. And down here, that's how we know it's Series 3. And there are 39 dolls to collect. Wow, that's a lot. 11 surprises inside. Here's the bag. We have some photos of the dolls. Here are the things that you'll be getting. You'll get the doll and outfit collector's list, accessories, a hair tool, hair extension, shoes, 3 stickers, doll stand, and a signature card. Wow, I want to see this hair tool. That looks pretty cool. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to Sophie's Playday and click that bell for notification when we upload. I brought my scale out because I want to weigh these boxes. I know each doll weighed differently, so let's figure out who's in this box. Our first box weighs 247 grams. Alright, so let's see how we open this box. It says pull here. Alright, Sophie, you ready to pull?
Yeah.
I'll hold it down for you. Okay, so we pull there. Now what? Okay, there's a little Velcro here. Ooh! Wow! Look at this! It's a different scene!
A checklist.
Checklist! Let's check it out!
Can I see the checklist?
Alright, you take a look and then I'll show our friends. I'm going to show our friends the box real quick because it's different from the other series. Wow, look at this! So the box layout is different. We have number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then stop, open last.
Look at all these characters.
Wow, look at all their outfits. So cute.
I like to get this girl. She's wearing rainbowy.
Oh, she is adorable.
And this one, I like that one. She
There's
has wings.
so many cute ones and so colorful. And look at this, friends. We have our salon here. And these things pop up. Let me pop this up real quick. So here is all the signature dolls. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Bella of the Ball, she's adorable.
Bella?
Uh-huh. Sophie like Rain right here, Rain Shine.
Yeah, Rain
Ooh. So down here we have the key color. The pink dot means color, orange dot means crimp, yellow curl. A green diamond is a rare and a blue star is an ultra rare. So we have the slumber party category girls here. And then dance party, outdoor fun. Ooh, there's a mystery one right here. I wonder who that is.
Yeah.
Let's open number 1.
Whoa.
Ooh, the bags looks like the JoJo bags.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's similar.
Same color, same design. So JoJo Hairdorables belong to the Series 3.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Well, who's this?
Hi, I wonder if this is our doll. This is Harmony right here. So let's see if we get her. And then we have her glasses. Okay, I wonder who has glasses. Can't tell from the checklist.
Oh, maybe it's this girl. She has the same glasses.
Oh, you saw her?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, let's see who it is.
Oh, shoes.
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 Oh, the shoes are adorable.
And here's the sticker again.
Ooh, pretty stickers.
It's stuck. This is a big bag.
Oh, maybe her curling tool.
It's a clip.
Ooh, and it has like a solar system on there. Nice. This is for crimping. This is a crimper.
It's gonna be like a band.
It's so cute. It's a crimper. I
That's
love
it.
this.
That's it.
Okay, next bag.
2, 4. Some hair? What is it?
Oh, our little hair extension. stars on this one. Purple.
Here's another sticker.
So we have another sticker. I think it's Kaylee. Oops.
See, that's a big bag.
You see Noah's on the cover.
Oh my God. It's this girl.
Yeah,
I know it's this girl.
Oh, her hair. Okay, let's see. This is Neela. She's so pretty. So she's the signature doll. So her bedtime routine is counting stars. Favorite flower is space rocket. Signature dance is the moonwalk. Look how cute. I love her glasses. So these are like solar system glasses. Little heart. There's a ring around the heart. And she's making a heart with her hands. Isn't that cute? Look at her clear skirt. It is adorable. The shoes. I love her hair. Look at this blue and teal and gray color. Beautiful. Alright, our next one. Let's see how much it weighs. Ooh, this one's heavy. It's 256 grams. Alright, let's
go hold it. Oh,
and
wow.
then this side right here, there's a Velcro.
Whee!
Ooh.
Oh, the same one.
We have same background.
And here's the checklist.
Okay.
Number 1. Got stickers.
Ooh, same stickers.
Yeah, they're all the same, so.
Look like the same. We got blue boots.
Oh, what did I get? A sticker again.
You got sticker.
Binoculars.
I don't know. I think it's Wildcat. Wildcat had binoculars on her, so let's see if it is her. Ooh, hair extension.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's
That's
purple.
weird.
Oh no, it's all tangled. Oh no, it got stuck in the bag.
Oh yeah, we got her.
Ooh, what is that? Oh, color. It's like a little paintbrush to color your hair.
Wait, like this?
Yeah. That's cool.
It's a giraffe.
And on the hair extension, there's a giraffe on a heart. Time to see our doll.
Oh, who is this girl?
Is it Cat?
Yeah, this cat.
I think it's Cat, right? Pink hair?
Yeah, pink hair with light hair.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Cat.
Oh, let me
Here's
see
Cat.
Cat.
Oh.
There she is. Here's her signature card.
That should be like.
Her bedtime routine is snuggling with Piper. Favorite flower is Tiger Lily. Signature dance move is the funky chicken. She's so silly. And here's Wildcat. Cat must love giraffe. She has a giraffe silhouette right here on her shirt and a giraffe skin on her shorts. Love her braided hair. Cute. And those pink highlights. I love her hair extension. It's like a pop of color. This one weighs 243 grams.
This one again. Number 1.
Ooh, what's that?
I'm saving this.
You're saving it? Oh, we have another picture of Harmony.
Oh my God.
She seemed like to be the favorite. What's that? Oh, Rainbow Kitty, friends. Oh my goodness. Who is this going to be? Do we have something special? We have red shoes and white laces.
Wait, and the sticker.
And one
forgot
sticker.
I opened 2.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna open this one first.
Who's that?
Harmony again.
Is that Kaylee again? Yes. Kaylee sticker.
Ooh.
Ooh, hair extension.
Oh. She like She likes painting.
She does, like a rainbow heart.
With a painting brush. Oh, it's a pen.
What is that?
Pen.
It's a pen?
It's a hair clip.
Oh, it's a curling iron. It looks like a coloring pencil, but look, friends. Cool. Oh my gosh, I love this tool. This curling iron is awesome. And who do we have?
Oh.
I don't know. Who is it? White hair. I see white hair. Oh, it's Sallee.
Sallee.
Oh, look at her hair. All white and then there's blue on there. Beautiful.
Ooh.
Let me see her signature card. Here is Sallee. Bedtime routine is drawing the Picasso. Favorite flower is a daisy. Signature dance move is dabbing. Can you dab, Sophie? Good job. That's her favorite dance move, dabbing. And here is artsy Sallee. I love her jumper. She has splatters of paint all over her overalls. And her shirt, there's a paintbrush on there. Cute. Look at her shiny hair. So she has blue at the bottom, white on the top. And there's a little braid right here. And then I just put on her hair extension, pink. And our last one weighs 249 grams.
Get the peel. In the bag.
Okay.
Oh, there she's on. I got that's girl.
Oh, Willow.
Favorite girl.
Oh my goodness, I think we have Willow here. Oh my goodness.
Yes,
Willow.
yeah.
Look at her flying shoes.
Yeah, her flying shoes are so pretty.
They are.
Here's our
Sticker, okay.
Number 2. I got my favorite girl. Look at the wings.
You got wings. Ooh, this is pretty wings.
That's it.
Beautiful. Ooh, nice hair extension, pink. What's on there?
A butterfly.
Aw. No, I think this is a bee.
That's a bee.
Or,
Or beetle.
not sure. A firefly, maybe? And we have a sticker of rain. She's so pretty. Look at those rainbow.
Whoa!
Wow!
I think so.
A dragonfly. I think it's a
Oh,
dragonfly. It's a color brush.
Like this one.
Yeah, just like the
It's a
giraffe. Okay, that's it. Now we get our doll out. Let's see our Willow. I see her hair. Oh, look at how cute she is. And let's get her signature card. Here is Willow. Her bedtime routine is selecting fashions. Favorite flower is a dahlia. Her signature dance move is unicorn dance. Here is Whirling Willow. I love her dress. Look at that sparkle. Especially her shoes and her wings. It's so pretty. Just love it. She looks like a fairy. I love her hair. She always have beautiful color hair. And here's her hair extension. Aw, look at her lips. She's puckering her lips. How cute. So here are the 4 dolls we unboxed today. Here is Neela. And here are all her accessories and stickers. Here is Wildcat. And all of her accessories. Here is artsy Sallee. And our last one is Willow. And that's it for our video, friends. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys will use our weight hacks to find the dolls that you wanted. Who's your favorite from today's unboxing, friends? Let us know down below. Alright, that's it. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.